Okay. So previously what we did, we just deployed two-step application in bare metal. So right now we are going to deploy an entire application with the VPC and RDS. So the agenda of this one is we will create a VPC which will have six subnets, four route tables, and internet gateway and a net gateway, and we will be creating all of them using the VPC wizard. After that, we will be creating the RDS database. Then we will edit the public subnets and enable the auto assign public IPv4 address. Then we will create two EC2 server for the backend and the frontend. We will keep the frontend in a public subnet and the backend in a private subnet. Then we will prepare the frontend environment. Then we will prepare the backend environment, and we will download MySQL client in the backend dependency. Then we will configure the database server, create the database, tables, and users. Then after that, we will deploy the backend application first. Then we will deploy the front end, and after that, we will see our deployment results. So this is the agenda for this entire application deployment with VPC and RDS.